Hello, this is King Gobina. If you want to learn how to make money online in Nigeria without money or investment, then keep watching. So guys, thank you for clicking this video. Today's video is packed with loads and loads of information, and be sure to subscribe to the channel, give this video a thumbs up, and hit the bell notification button to get awesome videos like this once I drop them. So in today's video, we're going to be looking at how to make money online in Nigeria without any money or investment. Yes, you might be wondering, is it possible to be able to make money online in Nigeria without money or investment? Well, the answer is yes, it's possible, because one thing is have the right information, then follow suit. So I'm going to show you everything right now, step by step, how you can make money online without any money or investment. Now, the ways we are going to use this video, we are going to divide into some parts. Number one being freelancing, the other one being selling products. Then we have affiliate marketing and blogging. I've talked about freelancing in my other videos where I showed you the different freelancing platform or websites we have in Nigeria. Now I'll also show you new ones today where you can perform simple tasks like following social media handles and the rest, and you get paid. And I'll show you another website where you can actually get products that you're not the one that created those products, but you can actually sell those products. You'll be given all the rights to sell those products and keep 100% of the profit. Now I'll show you an affiliate network where you can sign up and start promoting affiliate links, so whenever somebody purchases a service or a product, you get paid. Then the next one is through blogging. Of course, some people still make money blogging. Ways in which you can make money through blogging are through affiliate marketing, advertisement, and even selling your own products. So I'm going to dive in straight now to show you everything step by step, for you to be able to see the different method in which you can be able to make money online in Nigeria without money or investment. So please guys, remember to subscribe. If you haven't subscribed, give this video a thumbs up, and I'm sure you're enjoying the video. So let's dive straight into it. So the very first freelancing website where you can make money online without any money or investment. In fact, you can make money on this site by performing simple tasks like following social media handles. Guys, can you imagine following social media handles, liking pages, or subscribing to YouTube channel, and the rest of them? You can make money here. So the name of the site is MYMICROJOBZ.com. As you can see on the platform, they said here, #1 marketplace for microjobs in Nigeria. Earn anywhere in Nigeria, anytime, from any device by performing simple tasks. Withdraw your earnings through bank transfer or airtime. So guys, in this platform you can do simple tasks just like following social media handle. Those things that you naturally do just for fun, you can actually do it here and get paid. As you can see, these are the latest jobs now available here. Now share on your WhatsApp status and earn 10 naira. The money here are very small, just little money, but when you join all this little money together, you can imagine what they will become when you join them together. So you can see, so this platform is a very good platform. Now you can decide to see, okay, let's look at the jobs available here on Facebook. So it's not clicking. Okay, let's continue. So you can actually do simple jobs like simple taxes here and earn money anywhere. So first, the thing what you want to do is click on get started. Now it's going to open up. Then what you're going to do is, if you don't have an account, of course you're going to create an account. I think I have an account, so let me try logging into my account so that you see that I've been able to make little money in this platform, even though I've not been so active, but I've been able to test out this platform and be able to make some money for myself. As you can see, I've been able to make 45 naira just by doing completing 8 simple taxes, following social media and those and the rest of them. So I've been able to make 8 naira. So this platform is a very good platform, and I'll be dropping my link in the description. So if you want to sign up, make sure to use the link in the description to be able to sign up. So the next freelancing or small micro jobs website where you can be able to make money by performing simple tasks. Now this one is not from Nigeria. The name of this site is Pico Workers. Now you might have probably heard of Pico Workers, and don't worry if you haven't heard of Pico Workers. I'm here to tell you that Pico Workers is similar to MyMicroJobs. Well, this one is an international platform where you can also perform simple tasks, like for example create a short video. This for business owner, and as a freelancer you can take survey, write an honest review, test an app, write an article. You can do all these things and make money. Guys, you can do all these little taxes and be able to make money for yourself. Now the next freelancing website where you can be able to make money online in Nigeria. This is an international freelance. In fact, I call it the king for me of freelancing, because lots of people have been able to make lots of money here in this platform. The name of this platform is FIVERR, guys. FIVERR.com. FIVERR.com is a freelancing platform where lots of people have been able to make money online. As you can see, these are all the gigs I've recently I'm currently logged into my account right now. As you can see, this is my picture, and so these are recently all the gigs I've viewed recently, and you can see that people are selling their services. For example, this person have here, I will do unique logo design with unlimited revision for $10. So this platform is a very good platform where lots of people have been able to make money online, and I believe you can also start listing your services here without money and be able to make money. So guys, so that's it. So that's it about the freelancing website. So there are so many other freelancing websites just like Upwork and the rest of them, which I didn't show in this video, but with time I'll show you those other freelancing platforms. But I don't want this video to be too long, so I'll move over to the next one, which is selling digital products, selling products. Now I told you I'm going to show you a website where you can get these products for free and have all the rights to resell or sell them without any copyright issues or anything. You have the right to sell these products. I actually bought an online course before I was able to discover this website, but because I want us to win together, I'm sharing this platform with you, and I know you're going to enjoy this platform. So the name of the platform is idplr.com. idplr.com. Now basically what this platform is this platform stores loads of products. Now as you can see, you can register here for free and get 12,590 plus PLR products, which you can resell and keep 100% of the profit. Now you can sell loads of things. They have 6,315 plus ebooks, videos, graphics, templates, articles, audios, and so many other things that you can use here and sell them at your own. Now this platform has a paid membership, but even with the free becoming a free member, you have access to 12,590 plus products, which you can resell and keep 100% of the profit. Now this website, guys, is a good website. In fact, you can't get this information anywhere else except here on this channel. So guys, make sure to subscribe if you haven't subscribed, hit the bell notification button if you're getting value from this video, and stay with me. I still have loads of other information to share with you. So guys, this website, you can come here and click on register for free, and register everything. Drop your details here and be able to download some of these great ebooks and have the right to sell many of them, many of them. So you have access to our entire catalog of 12,950 plus PLR products, access to all the training tutorials and courses, access to 2,000 PLR articles, access to web hosting with 10 gig of space. Now for those of you that probably want to dive into blogging or website creation, you can also use this website to host your website. So you can imagine, you have access to 3D e-cover softwares, you have access to landing and squeeze pages software. That is for those of you that know things about creating websites and the rest of them, WordPress. So you have access to new products added almost every day. So this platform is a very good platform, and even with the free membership, you can have access to this. Now talk less of the gold membership, where you have loads of other advantages. So let's look at some of their products. So I've clicked on ebooks. Now you're going to bring out some ebooks for us for us to choose from, and know what's how we're gonna sell. So look at the ebooks it has brought. I can click on this, how to create your own physical video products. I can click on this right now and see, and I'm going to show you everything so that you confirm and see that this platform is a great platform. So you see this place has here that okay, so this ebook, now this ebook can be sold. It can also be used for personal use. It can be packed with other products. It can be modified or change the sales letter. It can be added into paid membership website. It can you can put your name on the sales letter. So you can literally use this ebook now and sell it to somebody and make money. In fact, sell it to person as if you are the person that wrote the book, whereby you just came to this website, registered, downloaded this ebook and start selling it. So you can see that for those of you that have website or have an audience, you can sell ebooks and get ebooks from this platform or videos and sell it to your audience. So enough of that. So now let's dive straight to affiliate marketing. Now basically, affiliate marketing is referring a sale. That means whereby somebody makes a purchase using your special link, you get special discount, some money back from the affiliate company. Now the affiliate company that I probably use and I always refer you to is Jvzoo. Now this Jvzoo accepts Nigeria. There are some affiliate companies that don't accept Nigeria, but Jvzoo accepts Nigeria, and you can start selling. You can start referring links and start earning money on this platform without you even investing any dime in this platform. Now you can come here and sign up for free. As you can see, it says start for free, sign up for free, and then get so many products that you can refer and get so many products. So you can after you must have signed up for free and shared your link, and you have some earnings in your dashboard. You can withdraw your money through Payoneer, Aweber, Stripe, PayPal, Slack, but some of these payment gateways don't actually accept Nigeria. But I know of Payoneer. You can actually create a Payoneer account in Nigeria, which I'm going to show you very soon how to create a Payoneer account. So if you want to see that video, be sure to subscribe, hit the bell notification button, and give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget. So you can usually withdraw your money through Payoneer and transfer the money straight to your bank account, or even if you have a Payoneer card, you can actually withdraw that money anywhere in Nigeria. So this Jvzoo affiliate marketing network is a very fantastic one, even when you don't have a website. So many people are making Google search, are always searching for comparison. Whenever they want to make buy something, they might type into Google best this or best that, or this versus this. Whenever such searches are going to Google, so many platforms appears, and some of those links which appears are affiliate links. So whenever you refer somebody to make a purchase, you can get paid using this link. Now guys, so these are some of the ways in which you can be able to make money online in Nigeria without any money or investment. So guys, I talked about blogging, and I know that blogging is a kind of is a long-term project. Like you can't actually start a blog today and start making money today. You must have started your blog today. If you have patience, put the work, and you have the time and the energy to put the work into it, you have to after putting the work, that's when you start earning money from blogging. So I'm going to do a video where I'm going to teach you everything about blogging and everything about it. So if you want to see that video, be sure to subscribe, hit the bell notification button, and give this video a thumbs up. So guys, I'm sure you are able to I'm sure you enjoyed this video, and I'm sure you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. So without further ado, I say thank you for watching. Until the next one.